Hello and welcome to my video lesson. Want to learn how to draw fashion models like a pro? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to sketch a fashion illustration of a model wearing a corset with sleeves and stylish shots. This lesson is perfect for beginners and aspiring fashion designers who want to improve their sketching skills.
you.